inside or hot outside? Both. You're too hot, baby. Hot and tempting. Yes, of course. Of course, ako na to, be. Ako na eh. Ako na to. Bakit hindi? Ako na to. Pero naiirita ako sa ilong ko. Parang yung sipon ko tumigas. I love your sense of humor. I love you too. Hala, I love you too. I love you. You talk to me. Because no one is talking to me, di ba? Why lami, di ba? Ano pa dito? Si B, hindi din nagsasalita si B. Bradley, are you okay, Bradley? Si Encanto tulog din to. Paano gagawin ko? Hi, Break. Ay, di pa matapon. Asim. They're not sleeping, they're no sleep. I think so. Oh my god. Love Yakult. Yeah, I love Yakult. Hi, PJ. Makakain si sipon ko. Yung atching ko kasi di lumalabas. Ngayon, nai-irritate na yung ilang ko. Di ko alam kung lalabas o hindi siya lalabas. Pero gusto kong lumabas. Better light chocolate. Yakult is good. They don't want to speak English because they don't know how they have very little vocabulary. Grabe ka naman, Jerome. Ano sinabi yung bobo kami? I don't know. Oh my God. You heartbreak my heart. Grabe naman kayo. Paano naman kaming bobo lang talaga? Aki. What if low waist na lang siya? Pangit kasi low waist na to naiipit. Thank you, Miss Lava Lava. Ganyan siya. Pangit siya i-low waist kasi high waist na siya. It is meant to be high waisted. That's why. Very cutie. Now when you wanna know about English, you gotta stop translating your language to English to speak Korean. Or to speak English. I know. Talagang gusto mong ganapin yung English mo, ha? Naka-United States ka lang na. Pag nilagay ko yung ang aking lugar sa United States, pag nilagay ko yun ng LA or Canada, you know me, ha? No, I'm not Pinay. I am Canadian. Or I am English speakering. Gusto mag-English na dyan. I used to do that. And I had a hard time learning English. But me, I am not.